Let us discuss some amazing facts about the Earth. 1. The gravitational field on Earth is not uniform. If Earth were a perfect sphere, it would have had a uniform gravitational field. But Earth has never been perfectly round and is bumpy in nature. These variations change the pull of gravity, making Earth's gravity uniform. 2. The Earth is neither perfectly round nor flat. The Earth appears completely spherical to the human eye. However, this may surprise you to know that the Earth is neither flat nor round in shape. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NAO, the Earth takes on the appearance of a tiled shape because centrifugal force being pushed out and gravity being forced towards the center of the spinning axis. 3. Terrestrial planet. Earth is sometimes referred to as a terrestrial planet since it is made up of different silicate minerals, such as metals and rocks. Other terrestrial planets such as Mars, Venus, and Mercury. The diameter of the Earth is 12,714 kilometers from the north to the south poles and 40,075 kilometers through the equator. 4. The rotation of Earth is decreasing. Every 100 years, the Earth's rotational speed decreases by about 17 milliseconds. It will take more than 100 million years for our day to get to 25 hours at that rate. However, the orbital periods of other planets varies, like Mercury completes its orbit around the Sun in 87 days, but Jupiter needs 12 years to do it, and the Earth takes slightly longer than 365 days to orbit the Sun. 5. Age of the Earth. Based on scientific analysis of the rocks on our planet, scientists have estimated the age of Earth to be 4.5 billion years, giving a 50 million year margin of error. 6. Support system. In our solar system, Earth is only planet known to support life due to the presence of oxygen and water that living creatures need to survive. Abundant in oxygen and surrounded by ample water, providing a suitable temperature for creatures to live on too. 7. Planet's driest spot. Atacama Desert in northern Chile is the driest spot on Earth, which is very adjacent to the Pacific Ocean. It is believed that Atacama's Calama city has not experienced rain in the last 400 years until a surprise storm in 1972. 8. The Sun will definitely die. At some point, the Sun will die because gravity will force it to collapse when its hydrogen gas reserves run out. As the Sun dramatically expands to a size that is 2,000 times larger than the current one, the Earth will eventually evaporate in the process. 9. The effects of global warming. Temperature changes are only one aspect of climate change. Sea levels rise as a result of glacier ice melting, which further expands the oceans. Despite being small, this extra bulge has an impact on Earth's rotation. It causes a small shift in the planet's axis toward the east and more friction, which slows down the rotation of the planet. This emphasizes how fragile Earth's ecosystems are and how even seemingly insignificant changes can have a significant impact on the planet's orbital dynamics. 10. Day-night cycle on the Moon. Day and night on Earth are determined by the rotation of the planet as well as Moon's day-night cycle. A day on the Moon, covering around 29.5 Earth days, is nearly equivalent in duration to a lunar month. The gravitational pull of the Moon and Earth causes this synchronization. The Moon keeps its face toward Earth the same during its orbit around our planet, this phenomena called as tidal locking. As thus, a day on the Moon corresponds to the duration of one orbit around Earth. The only planet without a god's name is Earth. Roman gods or goddesses are the names of the other 7 planets in our solar system. Despite the fact that only Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn were given names in antiquity due to their visual recognition, that is, Roman naming system for planets was continued following the discovery of Uranus and Neptune. 12. Tibetan Plateau is the third pole on Earth. The vast quantity of freshwater found in the Tibetan Plateau has earned the name Third Pole, which has more than 46,000 glaciers and is home to the world's greatest freshwater reserve outside of the North and South Poles. Millions of people in China and Southeast Asia depend on these glaciers as their primary source of water. The rivers that flow through the area are the Yangtze, Yellow, and Mekong. The glaciers are melting at a rate never seen before due to rising temperatures, which could have catastrophic effects on the ecosystems. According to recent research, the amount of ice that was lost from Himalayan glaciers between 2000 and 2020, which was 6.5% underestimated.